So this is where I'm at today, Little Britain Lake. It's in Useley next to Mill Lane. Nice place, beautiful area. Made a lake here, which is full of birds and stuff. Old tree trunks just left around. You can see many kind of birds in there, enjoying having fun. We've had very good rain yesterday, and I suppose there's fresh water in this lake now, because then it overflows at the end as well. So पीछे से पानी बारिश का काफ़ी आया होगा. Nice oak trees in here, quite old ones. ये तो वो ट्रैक था जिस पे मैं वो कर रहा था, और ये वो सड़क है जो एक्सेस आती है बीच में, और इसकी दूसरी तरफ भी एक छोटी सी स्ट्रीम बह रही है. इसी की एक शाख उधर से भी गुजर रही है. How clear the water is. Some dragonflies are flying around too. See some fish down there as well. I don't know how good it's going to come out in this camera, but I can see some small fish. Clear water running very slowly, hence there's no debris in it. Sorry, no mud in it, because it's running very slowly, very passively. You can see water is so clear. Beautiful place. A beautiful willow tree.